guys, what's about? It's your host Mr. Nemaster, and back with a new amazing video once again, guys. So recently, if you're currently playing PUBG and if you're seeing this error like this, then of course it is really frustrating. And so this video is for you guys. So this is a small fix. I hope this may really help you a lot. And yeah, so if yes, then just go ahead and comment below. So what you need to do is just simply go ahead to your setting instead, and once you're there, just go ahead to the installed app, and once you're here, what you need to do is just simply type the PUBG. So once you what you need to do, just go ahead and tap on app permissions and make sure that you have enabled the storage and microphone, and that's what you really need to do. So once you've done with this, now just go ahead and launch the game itself. So boom, as you could basically see, our game has been started. So that's what we really need to do. So I hope this small video is really helpful, guys, and if yes, then just go ahead, please like this video and do subscribe and comment, and that will really means a lot. Until then, bye guys, so host Mr. Master, see you in my next video, signing out.